When Hiccup first meets Toothless in How to Train Your Dragon, he's supposed to kill him, but he can't bring himself to do it. He cuts the ropes and lets him go. Why does this matter? Because that one choice changes everything. Later, Hiccup realizes Toothless can't fly without his tail fin, which Hiccup caused in the first place. This is why Toothless trusts him so deeply. Hiccup didn't see a monster, he saw a scared creature. The movie keeps proving this point. Vikings think dragons are enemies, but Hiccup proves the real mistake wasn't the dragons, it was how they were treated. That's why, in the final battle, humans and dragons only win when they fight together, not against each other. And that one moment in the forest is the reason all of it happens.